China has just proved US President Trump wrong and crossed a milestone that is already reshaping the global economic conversation. In 2025, the world's second largest economy posted a record trade surplus of $1.2 trillion. And despite the trade war with the United States, this is the largest trade surplus in China's history, and also the first time that it has ever broken the $1 trillion mark. What makes this number truly striking is not just its size, but the timing too. It comes despite renewed tariff threats from Donald Trump and the constant reminders of the great power competition between the United States and China. According to official data from China's Customs Administration, exports surged at the end of the year. In December alone, dollar-denominated goods exports jumped 6.6% compared with a year earlier, and this is more than double analyst expectations. Imports also rose 5.7%. Again, this is far above forecasts. For the first time, China's annual trade surplus pushed past $1 trillion, and it beat last year's already enormous $993 billion surplus. This wasn't driven by a boom in American demand. In fact, what's very telling in this scenario is that exports to the United States collapsed by about 20% year over year. Instead, Chinese manufacturers rerouted their goods elsewhere. Remember, I always say that the world is actively creating an alternative framework that would mitigate the risks of Western political ambitions. And this is precisely what's allowing the global South to continue growth despite Western economic coercion.